Just enough to get the camera lenses wet, the streets wet, and be sort of nasty as we start off this Saturday. Doesn't last all day, but certainly making for slick travel, especially north and west, where temperatures are sub-freezing. Hopewell Junction's at 31, the same Cold Spring 30, even colder, and then Monticello's at 27, Armonk you're at 35, and through northwestern New Jersey, temperatures have been coldest just northwest of Newark. So we're in the mid-30s for Newark itself, but just to the north and west, still cold enough for snow there. Factor in the winds, and the wind chills are going to be chilly all day, making it feel 5 to 10 degrees colder than it actually is on the thermometers. Here's a look at the radar, and I just isolated this only with lightning so you can see where the bolts have been happening here within the last hour, but enough to create that expansion of air so that you can hear the thunder overhead. And it's kind of incredible when you're seeing a big snow shower come down to hear something more familiar with a thunderstorm. Along 87 and 80 here, you're seeing right through North Bergen is where we're seeing the mixing change over. So temperatures are warmer closer to the city, but colder north and west. Patterson, you've seen that snow rain mix happening throughout the last hour or so. You really have to get up into Ramapo to see the actual snow sticking on the ground surfaces. Through northwestern New Jersey and southeastern New York, through about noon, we'll have a light snow shower. Accumulation should be an inch or less, so just enough to coat the grass and coat the roadways. It's all out of here by the early afternoon, and in behind it, the clouds do linger, but we can actually even see a sun break late this afternoon. So it's going to be one of those days where it's sort of wild watching the skies to see what happens. Slick spots is what you need to be aware of. Winds will be gusting all day to 30 miles an hour, so wind chills are a factor, and that's the same for tomorrow as well. It'll turn blustery to end the weekend, and then a bitter blast comes in here by Tuesday, and temperatures will be sub-freezing the rest of the week. So these clipper systems that come down from the northwest, they're sort of ushering in the instability and these shots of cold air. But the coldest one comes in behind the next clipper system, which will allow our temperatures to stay in the 20s Tuesday through Friday of next week. On the Futurecast, we're looking for opportunities for snow with these cold blasts of air, and it just doesn't amount to much. We'll get a few little doses like we're getting right now by Tuesday into Wednesday, but no big snows are on the horizon with the pattern as it stands right now. 42 with a chilly wind today. We go down to 28 overnight, so teens in the suburbs seem likely.